Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to the LWS English podcast. I am your host, Susan. I am so excited you are here with me today. Thank you for your time. This channel is your safe place. Here, you can learn English with no stress. You can make mistakes. Everything is okay. I am here to help you. Today, we have a game-changing technique. It is called the shadowing technique. This method is perfect for busy people who have only 5 minutes a day. Many students tell me, Susan, I am so busy. I have no time. What can I do? I hear you. Life is busy. But today, I will show you a technique that takes only 5 minutes. It can change your English in 30 days. We will use our LWS method. Listen, write, and speak. Before we start, please click subscribe and like. It helps me so much. Thank you. Part 1. What is shadowing? Shadowing is very simple. You listen to English and you repeat it immediately. You copy the sounds like a shadow copies a person. Imagine you are walking in the sun. Your shadow follows you everywhere. It copies every move. This is what you do with English sounds. You listen to a native speaker and speak at the same time. You match their speed, their rhythm, their tone. You become their shadow. Why is this powerful? Shadowing trains three things together. First, it trains your ears. Second, it trains your mouth. Third, it trains your brain. Most students only read or only listen, but shadowing combines everything. This makes learning 10 times faster. Part 2. Why only 5 minutes? You might ask, Susan, can 5 minutes really help? Yes, absolutely. The secret is studying every single day. 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours one time a week. Think about a plant. If you give water every day, it grows strong. But if you give water only one time, then nothing for 7 days, the plant dies. Your English is the same. Also, 5 minutes is easy. Everyone has 5 minutes. You can do it while you drink coffee. You can do it before bed. There is always time. Part 3. How to do shadowing. Let me teach you exactly how to do this. Follow these steps. Step 1. Choose your material. Find something simple to shadow. For beginners, choose simple podcasts like this one, children's audiobooks, slow English news, basic conversation videos. Important rule: choose something you understand at least 70%. Step 2. Listen first. Listen one time without speaking. Pay attention to the sounds and rhythm. Listen to 30 seconds or 1 minute, not more. Step 3. Shadow out loud. Play the audio again. This time, speak at the same speed, tone, and rhythm. Do not worry about perfection. Just practice. Step 4. Repeat 3 times. Shadow the same audio 3 times. First time, many mistakes. Second time, better. Third time, much closer to the native speaker. Part 4. Common mistakes. Avoid these mistakes to learn faster. Mistake 1. Choosing difficult material. Start easy. Simple material is good. Mistake 2. Shadowing silently. You must speak out loud. Your mouth needs practice. Mistake 3. Trying to be perfect. Keep going with mistakes. Flow is more important. Mistake 4. Skipping days. Do not break your chain. Even 2 minutes is okay, but do not skip. Mistake 5. not having fun. Choose material you like. Make it enjoyable. Part 5. What results to expect? Here is what happens when you shadow 5 minutes daily for 30 days. Week 1. Your ears recognize English sounds better. Week 2. Your pronunciation improves. People understand you more easily. Week 3. Your speaking speed increases. Words come more naturally. Week 4. Big change. Speaking feels easier. You feel confident and proud. Remember, these results come only with daily practice. Part 6. Bonus tips. Here are extra tips for success. Tip 1. Use headphones. They help you hear clearly. Tip 2. Stand up while shadowing. Standing gives you energy. Tip 3. Exaggerate mouth movements. This builds muscle memory. Tip 4. Shadow the same material for 1 week. Repetition helps mastery. Tip 5. Find a study partner. Learning together is more fun. Conclusion. Start today. My dear friend, you now know the shadowing technique. It is simple, powerful, and takes only 5 minutes. Imagine 30 days from now. Your pronunciation is clear. Your speaking is fast. Your confidence is high. You feel proud. This happens when you commit to 5 minutes daily. You can do this. Here is my challenge. Right now, find one simple English audio. Choose 30 seconds. Shadow it 3 times. Do not wait. Start today. Before we finish, 3 requests. First, share this video with 2 friends learning English. Second, comment below. What time will you practice? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Third, tell me, what material will you use? A podcast? A video? I read every comment and celebrate your progress. Thank you for being here. I believe in you. You need only 5 minutes a day and courage to start. Remember, listen, write, and speak. This is the LWS way. I am Susan. Have a beautiful morning, productive afternoon, and peaceful night. Keep practicing, keep believing, keep shining. Bye-bye, my amazing friends.